Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the Productive Not Busy podcast with me, Wayne Weathersby. Make sure that you like and subscribe these episodes on all your favorite platforms. Give any feedback. We'd greatly appreciate it. Today, we're going to talk about the person in the mirror. That is your most important employee. So in the morning, when you get up, right, you're brushing your teeth. There's a person staring back at you in that mirror every morning. I want to ask you, have you ever stopped to consider that that individual is, in fact, your most important employee? You are the employer of your own life. That face looking back at you is the one who depends on your leadership and your discipline and your ability to provide the tools necessary for success. If you were running a company, would you tolerate laziness and indecision or self-sabotage from your most crucial worker? Absolutely not. So why do you tolerate it from yourself? This is going to be a call to action. You must take the responsibility seriously. Your livelihood and your family's well-being and your future depend on the person in the mirror. You owe them your highest level of commitment, effort, and discipline. You must manage them like a great leader would manage their most valuable employee, with clarity and fairness and a relentless pursuit of improvement. That's why you need to hold yourself accountable. Imagine just for a minute that you own a business, and this business is your life. And the primary worker, the person responsible for making sure it runs effectively, is you. Now, if that employee showed up late and procrastinated and wasted time and failed to develop their skills, how long would they last? If they consistently made excuses instead of progress, would you keep paying them? If the answer is no, then why do you allow yourself to behave in those ways, the way that you would never accept from another person? One of the most dangerous lies people tell themselves is that they have time to waste, that they can afford to slack off and to make excuses and to procrastinate. But the truth is, every second wasted is a second stolen from the future success of the person in the mirror. If you were a boss overseeing this employee, you wouldn't just sit back and let them waste their potential, I hope. You would set expectations, and you would demand accountability, and you would enforce discipline. So why not do the same for yourself? I'm talking about equipping yourself with the right tools. A good employer ensures their employees have the tools they need to succeed. If you ran a construction company, you wouldn't expect your workers to build a house without hammers and saws, right? If you managed a team of programmers, you wouldn't expect them to create cutting-edge software without the proper training. But many people go through life failing to equip themselves with knowledge, skills, and habits that they need to thrive. And if you want to improve your health, are you giving yourself proper diet and exercise? If you want to advance your career, are you reading and learning and developing the skills necessary to move forward? If you want to be a better partner or a parent, are you working on your emotional intelligence and your communication? Or are you just coasting along expecting success to arrive by accident? You got to take responsibility for equipping the person in the mirror with everything they need to win. This means setting a structured plan, creating an environment that's good for progress, and eliminating distractions and temptations that derail growth. That's why we're talking about taking responsibility seriously. It's not a game. This isn't a dress rehearsal. This is your life, and it matters. If you fail the person in the mirror, you fail your family. You fail your future, and you fail the people who depend on you. Too many people walk through life as their actions don't have any consequences. But I'm going to tell you something. Everything you do either moves you forward or holds you back. Every choice you make impacts that trajectory. You must take it seriously. You must realize that every ounce of effort you put in today compounds into a better future for you and those who rely on you. Would you want your boss to be someone who leads with apathy? Who doesn't care whether you succeed or fail? Or who shrugs off responsibilities and lets you suffer the consequences? I hope not. You'd want a leader who is decisive and committed and invested in your progress. You must be that leader yourself. So you got to develop relentless discipline. Success does not come from motivation alone. If you ask me, motivation is kind of fleeting. It comes and goes like the tide in the ocean, okay? Discipline, on the other hand, is what carries you through when motivation fades. If you only worked hard when you felt like it, you'd never accomplish anything significant. If you were coaching an athlete, you wouldn't let them skip training sessions just because they didn't feel like showing up, would you? You'd expect them to commit, to show up every day and push through the discomfort. You need to hold yourself to the same standard. Train your mind and your body to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it. That's when it matters the most. What'll happen is you're going to suffer the consequences of neglect. If you neglect your responsibilities to the person in the mirror, there will be consequences. If you let them down, they will suffer. If you let them drift through life without a plan, they will struggle financially and emotionally and physically. And when they look back years from now, they will see the wasted potential, the opportunities they missed, and the progress they never made, and some, the dreams that they abandoned. Regret is one of the most painful experiences in a person's life. But you can avoid it by taking charge now, by treating yourself with the same level of care, discipline, and high expectations that a great leader would demand from their top employee. One day, the person in the mirror will either thank you or resent you. They will look back and either be proud of the effort you put in, or they will feel betrayed by your actions. I think our duty is clear. You must lead yourself with strength. You must demand excellence, and you must provide the tools necessary for success. You got to be relentless in your pursuit of improvement. Your family deserves it, your future deserves it, and the person in the mirror deserves it. Take the responsibility serious, because no one else is coming to do it for you. I hope you have a great day. Be safe. Take care. Find somebody and say something nice to them. Talk to you soon.